A very good evening. Welcome to the Disneyland park. Welcome to a empty Disneyland park, as you can see.
Mr. Curious, is that you?
It is. Okay, that was a nice break. We're back. We are heading towards Frontierland because tonight is the official opening event of Phantom Manor. The event started half an hour ago. We waited in line to get our bracelets, but now we're heading there. We're almost there. Now, I know you don't watch this video to see an empty Disneyland park, but hey, when do you get the occasion to be in an almost empty Disneyland park? That will be different once we get to Frontierland. Look at it. And here we are. Here we are. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Oh, look at that, how cool. That's awesome. And for those who want to know, Big Thunder Mountain is open and you can access the boat, but it won't bring you anywhere. So as already mentioned, not only Phantom Manor tonight, but you can go and take a ride on a ghostly train, at least a mine train that's haunted, which is Big Thunder Mountain, and you can give a go at some shooting, because tonight it's free. And I like when Disneyland Paris is learning from previous events, because on this one you can buy something to eat, which wasn't the case at Armageddon. Come on, 0 minutes. When do you see that?
Dear townsfolk, here today in the company of his charming wife and our sheriff, Will Ketchum, please give a warm welcome to our mayor, Mr. Artemis L. Hector.
It's such a beautiful manor and so full of history. Thank you, dear fellas, for being here tonight to witness its reopening. Poor Melanie and poor Henry Ravenswood, they disappeared so suddenly. It was all so strange. Yes, dear sheriff, could you please confirm that there are no grim, grinning ghosts in this house and that we'll be completely fine when we go inside? Right, there's absolutely nothing to worry about. Thank you, dear sheriff. I can't wait to go back inside.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce raffut à réveiller les morts? Voilà, j'arrive. Vous avez attendu tellement longtemps que vous n'êtes plus à 1 minute près. Les premiers seront les premiers d'y passer de toute façon. Bienvenue à Manor.
Et que la fête soit complète, nous avons également ouvert exceptionnellement pour vous ce soir.
So, welcome guys to Frontierland. We're in the calm part. I mean, the busy part is clearly where Phantom Manor is located. So tonight I want to talk about my favorite things that have changed on Phantom Manor. First, we're gonna have to go check it out, and I'll be back in just a few to tell you what are the things that have changed, or what my favorite things are that have changed. Excuse me. I've heard you are looking for a husband. I prefer it that way. Goodbye.
Elle aime pas les flashs. De toute façon, c'est avec elle. Dis donc.
You may not believe it, but beauty once lived in this house. Fantôme Manor a connu des jours heureux.
So, this was it. We waited so long. Now it's finally back. And I do have to admit, I absolutely loved it. I missed it. I'm so happy it's back. Okay, so I came back to the calm part of the park to tell you what my favorite things are on the renewed Phantom Manor. And to start off, it's really easy, that foyer when you walk in, that entrance, when you see where everything is old and worn down, the picture is new, and then all of a sudden, when you hear that voice saying that beauty once lived in this house, it all changes back, and that was such a big surprise. I really loved that. And then shortly after, the doors open and you see that stretch room, all new pictures. I mean, the effects are amazing, you know, going down and not only stretching pictures, but the pictures are changing. You see that Melanie is disappearing from those pictures. I really loved it. Now, coming out of the stretch room, it was still okay. A few new paintings or artwork that you can see that was also changing. Those duelists, I mean, I've seen people talking about them on Twitter the whole time. That is amazing. I took some time to check those out because those are two that I really love in the Haunted Mansion in Florida. So that was cool to see them here. Probably not the same guys, so just to make duelists, not the same guys. So that was really nice to see. Once then you see all the doom buggies coming by, and you see Melanie up those stairs, like a really dramatic scene. And then it's kind of stops because the ride itself, although they changed some things, everything is the same. There's new music, and there's been a lot of talk about music, that the old music was better. I mean, I am not bothered that much by the music, but not a lot changes. In the ballroom, you see the Phantom there with Melanie on the balcony. That's really nice. But then again, not a lot changes. And when you go through the canyon, the ghosts and skeletons have a greeny color, more vibrant color. Makes me think of the Haunted Mansion, but then not quite yet. Again, the audio is from the Haunted Mansion. It's weird if you hear the mayor saying, like, beware of hitchhiking ghosts, if you're used to seeing them at the end and then now there's nothing. Well, there is something, because at the end, where Melanie used to be in the skeleton going ways beyond this one, now there are tombstones of her husbands or ex-husbands on that exit. And when you go past the mirrors, Melanie is coming right next to you in that doom buggy. You see her in the mirror and she asks if you want to marry her. I think that's a great addition. Unfortunately, that's only one mirror, but hey, I think overall it's pretty good. Oh, measuring up. See if he fits in the coffin.
Bienvenue à la soirée dont vous ne reviendrez.
You see, he can measure you up for your coffin.
Very nice coffin for you.
Oh, the right size. Oh. This was it. This was the opening event for Phantom Manor. I had a great time. Absolutely loved the event, loved the animations, and loved the rides. We'll be back for more Phantom Manor real soon. Thank you all for watching this video, and hope to see you soon as well.
Hurry back, hurry back. Be sure to bring your death certificate. We're just dying to have you.